In this video, we will visit 3 off-the-beaten-path locations in Baltimore City. Let's check them out. Another section of Baltimore that attracts the curiosity of visitors is the Old Town Mall. It is a historic outdoor pedestrian shopping area located in East Baltimore. However, it has changed over the years and it now resembles a ghost town. The areas surrounding it in East Baltimore have been associated with higher crime rates. The mall went into an economic tailspin in the 1970s and in the 1980s when foot traffic dwindled and storefronts emptied. As a result, the area became more vulnerable to criminal activity. Like other parts of East Baltimore, the Old Town area saw an increase in drug-related crimes. The area has also experienced a range of violent crimes, including assaults and robberies, especially in the 1990s and in the early 2000s. This period coincided with Baltimore's larger struggle with gun violence. With the decline in business activities, property crimes such as vandalism, burglary, and theft became more common. Vacant buildings and the lack of economic investment contributed to a rise in these crimes. The Old Town area has historically been affected by open-air drug markets, which brought in related issues like gang activity and drug-related shootings. In recent years, crime remains a concern. Despite these challenges, many hope that future redevelopment plans could reduce crime and restore vitality to this historic area. Looking at a particular section of Baltimore, Baltimore's Graffiti Alley is a unique, vibrant public space dedicated to street art and graffiti. It is located in the Station North Arts District. It is the only legal spot in Baltimore where graffiti artists can freely express themselves. This alley stretches between Howard and North Avenue, tucked behind the Motor House. Unlike other areas of the city, artists here can create new works without fear of penalties. This helps maintain a constantly evolving gallery of street art. The location is popular not only for graffiti artists, but also photographers and creatives looking for a colorful backdrop. This graffiti alley is both a local and tourist attraction, offering visitors an authentic glimpse into Baltimore's underground art scene. Speaking of graffiti, we found some more of it in an abandoned ice factory that we came across. Built in 1911, it was once part of a thriving ice production industry, providing refrigeration before widespread access to electric refrigeration units. The factory is currently a popular spot for urban explorers and photographers. However, the site is known to be dangerous due to its deteriorated and unstable structures. If you've enjoyed this video, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. In our upcoming videos, we'll be looking at cities such as Philadelphia, Cleveland, Detroit, and other major U.S. metro areas. We will also be doing a deep dive into Chicago. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next video.